This is your time to slow down, to breathe, to simply be. Find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down, whatever feels best for you. Now gently close your eyes. Let your hands rest softly. Let your shoulders drop. Let the weight of the day begin to melt away. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Let's do that again. Inhale deeply. Hold it for a moment and exhale gently. Feel the air move in and out like a soft wave. Let your breath guide you into calm. Now bring your attention to your body. Notice where you might be holding tension: your jaw, your neck, your back. Take a moment to soften those areas. Breathe into them and release. There's nothing to do right now, nowhere to go. You are safe. You are supported. You are here. With each breath, allow yourself to go deeper into stillness. Imagine a warm, gentle light surrounding you, flowing from the top of your head, down your shoulders, through your arms and hands, all the way to your toes. This light brings peace. It brings ease. Let it wash over you. Let it settle your mind. If any thoughts arise, that's okay. Acknowledge them and gently let them pass, like clouds drifting across the sky. Come back to your breath. Come back to this moment. You are doing beautifully. Simply breathing, simply being. Now slowly bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Feel your body supported by the ground. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Take one last deep breath and release. Thank you for taking this time.